Dawn Mitchell. I'm in Suffolk, Virginia. Before working with the Vibrant Wellness Program, my life was a complete struggle with weight loss. I've tried everything under the sun, any new fad that came out. I did keto for 3 years. Nothing worked for me. I felt good on keto, but I couldn't lose the weight like I wanted to. What made me say yes to the Vibrant Wellness Program was I joined a seminar, just listened, and I've always been into holistic healing. So I was already on board with it. When I listened to them, I went to their consultation and we did my blood work, and I just knew I needed a change. So I decided to join with them. So the thing that almost made me not join the wellness program was the cost. I mean, that was a big factor for me. I'm single, I live alone. I knew I needed a change. And like I said, I did try everything and nothing really worked for me. So I just decided to do it. So, and I spent the money on it, and it was well worth it, by the way. What made this program different from what I tried in the past is I had somebody there to communicate with daily if I needed it, but most of the time on a weekly basis. I had supplements that were programmed for me. They were customed for my blood work, the vitamins that I needed, and things to help jumpstart my progress, basically. What surprised me the most about the wellness program was that they had other things other than just weight loss there. They had the acupuncture and, lymphatic massaging, and there's other things that I haven't even explored yet that are not for what I needed. But that surprised me. And the staff is just really amazing, and they're really nice and helpful. And even when you needed just extra things that were off the program for like hair and nails that I was looking for, they were so willing to help and give products for that as well that they recommended.